Generally, a person may be held strictly liable for injuries caused by an uncommon and extraordinarily dangerous activity. In addition, a person may be held strictly liable for injuries caused by an ultrahazardous or abnormally dangerous activity, which is an activity involving inherent dangers, making the activity no less risky if the person exercises reasonable care. In Toms v. Calvary Assembly of God, the Maryland Court of Appeals considered whether a lawful fireworks display was an abnormally dangerous activity that gave rise to strict liability. Andrew David Toms operated a 69-acre dairy farm in Frederick County, Maryland, where he maintained a herd of approximately 90 cattle. At the same time, Calvary Assembly of God, which we'll call the church, operated a church adjacent to Tom's dairy farm. On September 12, 2012, the church hosted a church-sponsored fireworks display on their property. The church obtained a permit from the county to discharge the fireworks. The event was also supervised by a deputy fire marshal and no misfires or malfunctions occurred. Due to the noise from the fireworks display, Tom's cattle became startled and began to stampede inside a dairy barn on his property. As a result of the stampede, 4 cows died. Further, Tom sustained property damage, disposal costs, and lost milk revenue. Subsequently, Tom sued the church in state district court for the damage caused by the fireworks display. In his complaint, Toms alleged that the display was an abnormally dangerous activity and that the church was therefore strictly liable for his damages. Following a bench trial, the court entered judgment for the church. Toms appealed to the circuit court, which affirmed. Toms then filed a petition for review, which the Maryland Court of Appeals granted.